Welcome to Apps4Org. This video shows how to add and manage sessions in the schedule. Click the Schedule menu on the left side of the page. This page shows the list of sessions added for a particular day. Click the drop-down on the top left side of the Schedule page. Select a day in order to add sessions to the respective days. Select the menu on a session to find options for editing and deleting the session. To add a new session, select the menu on the right side of the page and click Add New. Enter the session title, session begin date, session begin time, session end date, session end time. Select the speakers, moderators, panelists, chairperson assigned to the session. Enter the session description. Enter the room name in the Header To field. In the Documents section you can upload the session handouts. Click Save. Thank you for watching the video.